Hello students, today we will read chapter number 2, Prehistoric India and the Harappan Culture. Let's start. The history of human settlements in India goes back to prehistoric times. No written records are available for the prehistoric period. However, plenty of archaeological remains are found in different parts of India to reconstruct the history of this period. They include the stone tools, pottery, artifacts, and metal implements used by prehistoric people. The development of archaeology helps much to understand the life and culture of the people who lived in this period. In India, the prehistoric period is divided into the Paleolithic, Mesolithic, Neolithic, and the Metal Age. However, these periods were not uniform throughout the Indian subcontinent. The dating of the prehistoric period is done scientifically. The technique of radiocarbon dating is commonly used for this purpose. It is based on measuring the loss of carbon in organic material over a period of time. Another dating method is known as dendrochronology. It refers to the number of three rings in wood. By counting the number of three rings in the wood, the date of the wood is arrived at. Paleolithic or Old Stone Age. The Old Stone Age sites are widely found in various parts of the Indian subcontinent. These sites are generally located near water sources. Several rocks, shelters, and caves used by the Paleolithic people are scattered across the subcontinent. They also lived rarely in huts made of leaves. Some of the famous sites of Old Stone Age in India are the Son Valley and Potwar Plateau on the northern West India, the Shivalik Hills on the North India, Bhimpetka in Madhya Pradesh, Adamgarh Hill in Narmada Valley, Kurnool in Andhra Pradesh, and Atirampakkam near Chennai. In the Old Stone Age, food was obtained by hunting animals and gathering edible plant or tubers. Therefore, these people are called hunter gatherers. They used stone tool, hand sized and flecked of large pebbles for hunting animals. Stone implements are made of a hard rock known as quartzite. Large pebbles are often found in river terraces. The hunting of large animals would have required the combined effort of a group of people with large stone axes. We have little knowledge about their language and communications. Their way of life became modified with the passage of time since they made attempts to domestic animals, make crude pots, and grow some plants. A few old Stone Age paintings have also been found on rocks at Bhimbetka and other places. The period before 10,000 BC is assigned to the Old Stone Age, Mesolithic, and Middle Stone Age. The next stage of human life is called Mesolithic or Middle Stone Age, which falls roughly from 10,000 BC to 6,000 BC. It was the transitional phase between the Paleolithic age and Neolithic age. Mesolithic remains are found in Langhanj in Gujarat, Adamgarh in Madhya Pradesh, and also in some places of Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, and Bihar. The paintings and engravings found at the rock shelters give an idea about the social life and economic activities of Mesolithic people. In the sites of Mesolithic age, a different type of stone tools is found. These are tiny stone artifacts, often not more than 5 centimeters in size, and therefore called microliths. The hunting gathering pattern of life continued during this period. However, there seems to have been a shift from big animal hunting to small animal hunting and fishing. The use of bow and arrow also began during this period. Also, there began a tendency to settle for longer periods in an area. Therefore, domestication of animals, horticulture, and primitive cultivation started. Animals' bones are found in these sites, and these include dog, deer, boar, and ostrich. Occasionally, burials of the dead, along with some microliths and shells, seem to have been practiced.